So once you have decided on which spreadsheet program to use and you've got that ready, there's another step that you first need to take, which is to decide what to search for. So there are a lot of data in a database, as you know, but it depends on the questions that you have, on the things that you want to present, what it is that you exactly want to make a graph of. So for example, you might be interested in the types of sites that have been recorded in your area or in general in the database or between different areas. Or you might want to look at the condition of sites, the disturbances and threats, and which ones are most common, or where are they most common, and so on. Or you might want to do combinations of different fields. So for example, you might want to know what are the most common disturbances for each type of site, and are there differences in this between areas. So what you're asking will depend on the aims and objectives of the analysis that you're doing, and the report or publication that you're planning to write, and what's the audience. Once you know what information you would like to gather, you can decide which fields you need in your searches. So you've learned in the advanced searching tutorial that you can search by any field in the database and any combinations of fields. You should also take into account if you want to search for all the values in the field. So do I want to search for all agricultural pastoral sites, for example, or only those that have a medium, high, or definite certainty. So this is the reason we add these certainties, and in remote sensing, we might have lower certainties sometimes, we might not be sure. And the advantage of adding these certainties is that you can take out sites with lower certainties or fields with lower certainties if your analysis requires this. But this is something that you only can decide. And of course, you can also do multiple searches and compare the results and see, is there such a difference in your results if you take out fields with lower certainties, or does it not very much matter for the overall picture?